Welcome to Isocrates.App channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Welcome to the video lecture. Question: explain the constructions and working of a compound microscope. A compound microscope consists of two convex lenses. One of the lenses is called the objective lens or the objective piece, and the other one is called eye lens or eyepiece. The objective lens will be placed near the object and the eyepiece or eye lens will be placed near the observer's eye. So this eyepiece or the eye lens has the larger focal length than the objective lens, and it'll also have the larger aperture. Both the lenses are fixed in a narrow tube where we can adjust the distance between the objective and the eye lens. The working of the compound microscope. An object AB is placed in front of the objective lens. Due to this, the objective lens creates an image of AB that is known as A-B'. This A-B' has a property of being real image and then inverted and also magnified little. And then now this A-B' acts as the object for the eyepiece or eye lens. And then the image formed due to the eye lens will be A double dash and B double dash. This image is a virtual image and it is enlarged and it is also erect. It is on the same side of the object. So this is the final image that we will be able to see through the eyepiece. Always, a compound microscope has 50 to 200 times more magnification power than a simple microscope. Thus, this is the working of a compound microscope.